This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Thursday, the 15th of October. I'm James Spann. Unseasonably warm today, but the coolest air so far this season will blow in here this weekend. There's a water vapor satellite view, very dry air mass in place across the region again today. The trough over the east will be sharpening up, pulling down that colder air by Saturday and Sunday. But today, unseasonably warm. Tuscaloosa, 85, Birmingham, 83. You cross the state line, Columbus, Mississippi has 91. But tomorrow we start to see the cooling trend. Highs drop back in the upper 70s tomorrow, and then upper 60s are likely by Saturday. Around the nation up north, temperatures only in the 40s and 50s. And again, we'll catch some of that this weekend, but you can see that 90-degree bullseye around Shreveport, Dallas, Fort Worth, and the Mississippi Delta. Some record highs established in that region today. Convective outlook, a marginal severe weather risk for parts of Oklahoma for the rest of this afternoon and tonight, and that's about it. And the rain for the next 7 days. This goes all the way through Thursday of next week. Absolutely nothing. Beyond that, though, we wonder about that following weekend. There could be a tropical system involved. We'll take a look at that in just a bit. The tropics now, though, are quiet. Across the Atlantic Basin, tropical storm formation not expected through the weekend. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. The trough over the east is sharpening up. Down below that 1032 millibar high starting to nose in here. And again, the high tomorrow will drop into the upper 70s. And then Saturday, a cool start. The latest guidance coming in with low 40s. The GFS is printing 42 for Birmingham early Saturday morning. The day will be cool, sunny, with a high somewhere between 67 and 70. And the same thing on Sunday. Will be down in the low 40s. The colder pockets could see upper 30s. And the day will be sunny with a high, again, between 67 and 70 on Sunday afternoon. A beautiful fall day. Monday of next week, we stay cool and dry. Same thing Tuesday. And the same thing Wednesday of next week. So for the first half of next week, we'll be rain-free with only a gradual warming trend. Here's a week from today. This is Thursday, the 22nd of October. The next shortwave lifting way, way north of here now. And down below that, we're still dry. This would suggest highs in the 70s and lows in the 50s. So, at one point we had a cold front coming in with good upper support. That idea is off the table. But the attention is on that low in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. Look what happens. This is Saturday, October 24th. The tropical system comes up into Louisiana. And if this is right, that could mean a pretty wet weekend, the 24th and 25th. In fact, here's a look at the 25th as the rain continues. But understand, this is in the land of voodoo. This could be radically different by the time we get there. It's race weekend at Talladega. Don't panic yet. Interesting also in that graphic to note that huge snowstorm. That's basically a blizzard. Just north of North Dakota, up in southern Canada, if that happens to verify. Well, check the European. This is for Sunday the 25th, and instead of the surface low being inland, it still has the tropical low in the Gulf of Mexico, south of Morgan City, Louisiana, with the rain shield still down to the south. So again, that's a sign that nobody knows at this point, but every global model has been very consistent in the idea of a tropical low in the Gulf, perhaps giving a good soaking to the deep south later this month. Exactly when, how much, we don't know that yet, but we'll keep watching for details as we get closer. Temperatures for the next 15 days, you can see that nice weekend cool down. And then next week, highs mostly in the 70s, lows mostly in the 50s, right at average values for mid to late October. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next weather video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.